Hello everyone and welcome to this wonderful video. I'm almost sleeping and I wanted to do an archive of what I did here. So the idea is quite simple. What I want to do is explore the zone, and when I discover a zone that brings some XP, to record the position of the player to be able to map where you need to go when you want to loot XP by moving around, exploring the zone. Okay, so to be able to do that, so what I will provide with that is that this. So the stuff I was trying to do is this. So I have a file where when I win some XP, I will have the wall coordinates precisely from WoW. Then the coordinate we have in WoW, that is the name, the local name, and the map position over there as a line. So every line is you win some XP somewhere. Okay, so to give you a bit of an example here, if this is the script running over there, okay, and so I will kill something to win some XP like this. Up, I win some XP, so technically it should record something here. Line here, it said that something was recorded. So we will go in the file over there, and did he add it? I'm not sure he added because it's not edited. Yeah, sorry. What I will do is this. Hold up, save. I will kill something else or explore a zone. So yeah, as you can see here, we have the cheat engine working. That's how I'm grabbing the information, as you can see over there. Pop like this. So as you can see, you can use cheat engine, and with cheat engine, what you'll try to have is the vertical information, the horizontal one, and the height. As you can see here, it is the height of the player over there. This is the horizontal position and the vertical position of it. But I think I did some mistake on the height, because technically when you are here it should be 0. So I did some mistake on the height. Okay, that was not about the video, so I will continue. I will fix it later. So let's try to find a zone. As you can see, it can be boring to find the zone. It's easier when you have a mount, but here I'm on a bannable account, so I don't have level 30 to be able to fly around, and that's why I take some time to walk. But here we should technically discover a zone. Here, okay, so we win some experience here at the Groove of the Ancient. Okay, so technically now if I close this and I open it, so I go here, ta-da! So now to this position, that is not a good height, but at this position, at the dark shore of the groove, if you go to this place over there, you win some XP over there. And so the idea here is just that you just need to move around to be able to win those XP. So technically what's happening here? So what you do, you use cheat engine, that is over there, to be able to track the information of your game. Okay, so for example, if I want to calibrate the height, okay, I find something like this. Okay, I go in cheat engine, I say that I want to scan World of Warcraft, yes. Then I say that I want to scan something that is a new value, but it will be a value that is over 0. So to avoid scanning all the memory of the computer, we'll just say that we want something that is between 20 and yeah, and 8000. First scan, so it will scan. You can see that there is a did I click on not? No, it's okay. Float. There is a lot of value that will be tracked, but that's not a problem. So I have a hotkey in Sheet Engine, okay, and the hotkey is the value is change, the value did not change, the value is up, or the value is down. So here I will move here, value has changed. So now we have less value. Okay, up, value has changed. Okay. Okay, now what I will say is that I went up, okay, and now I went down, and I went up, and I went down, and I went up, and I went down, and I went up, and I went down, like this. And technically, at one point, we will have the value we're looking for. But here I think I did some mistake because yeah, I did some shits. It's not a problem. So new scan between, it's never 8000, it may be like something like this. I will put like 1 to which 5. This first scan. Okay, so now I go over there, say that I went down, I'm up, down, up, down, up, down, up, I'm down, I'm up. Okay, so what I will go is I will go here. I said that something change, then I will I need to go this up, okay, look like the value we are looking for, huh? Okay, so now we have the height of the character that is here over there in those region. I will just try to filter a bit some value that should be not okay. Okay, whatever, we'll take this. So now that we have the height, you need to do you take your value here, you put it here, and you put T. Okay, so this one is the value that we screw up earlier, so we'll delete it. So we have, you do that, now you try to do the vertical, the horizontal one over there, and when you want to look to for the text over there, what you do is that you say new scan over there, then you say that you are looking for a string, and you are looking for dark shore, like this. Look, the problem is that I will have plenty of value, and that's what or not we want this value. So we'll take groove of the ancients dots 46. New scan. On this one, I suppose that I did some mistakes somewhere. Groove of the ancient. Ah, yeah, it's case sensitive. Okay. So now we have some results here. I will move a bit around. And you can see that most of them don't change. So we'll try to find one that changed and none changed. Shit. Five. Okay, I think that this one is good, so I take it, I go over there, like this, and now I say that I want not the length of 30, but like to this number, and ta-da, we have our beautiful local value. So now that we have the local value, we have the height, we have the vertical and the horizontal value, we have everything we need. So what you do is that you take this value, that is the text, and you go in Python. And what will happen here is that I have some code that allow you to read string or read some float. And so here, basically, to be able to read the string, you need to provide an address and the process. The process is the value over there. That is the ID process of the cheat engine. Okay. And so as you can see here, I say, okay, here is the ID of my process. Here is the memory ID, so it is the zone over there. That is for this, it is this number, this number, this number. So we put it over there. Then we need to track the XP. So to track the how do we track the number here? You just took at here and you are like 4640. Okay, so you say that you want a new scan. You want a scan that is a float. Okay, we want the exact value of 4640. 4640. Okay, first scan. Now that it's done, we need to kill something or to find the XP somewhere or something. So we'll try to kill the bear here. Can we? And now we are at 4705. 4705. Next scan and shit, undo, it's 5. Like this. So now we have two value over there of XP. One is good. So I will put that here. I will suppose that is this one. So you take it and you put it over there in the region over there. As you can see, it is the same as the last one. Last time I scanned, because basically it did not change. As soon as I will quit WoW, everything need to be restarted. And as soon as I reload the menu, so /reload or something like that, the position will stay the same address, but most of the rest will change. So some value are permanent, but most of them are temporary. And so now that we have those value, so we have the X, the Y, the Z of the world, and we have the text and the XP. Okay, so what I do here is that I say, okay, we have those addresses, we have this process. Okay, can you create something, some memory to check the memory, so stuff that check the memory? Can you do something that will be able to read some text from this address? That is the address that we find over there. Okay, and you will read for 200 characters, because I suppose that nothing is doing 200 over there. Okay, so I do a variable that is previous XP, because what we want to track is when the XP is changing. Okay, and I say, okay, we'll enter in a loop. Okay, in the loop, we read the memory. Okay, now that we read the memory, we can check what is the XP of the player. Okay, and if the value is not the same as the previous one, then we will record in a file the information. So that's something that we will do here. But before we do that, we need to have the information. So we read the information. Oof. Okay, I put it in localization. Then I extract those information. So how do I extract? I do a dirty method, but that is working here. So I just say, okay, take the text, split it at the double point, at the comma. Then you split the left value with this, and you split the right value with the virgule. It's comma, I think. How it is, I don't remember how we said virgule, but you do it with this one. Maybe I can zoom. I don't know how to zoom in this software. Then like that, I can have the X, the Y, the world position, and the local one. I need to check that I have one because some stuff don't have this value over there. Okay, so I check that if there is a value, then I put the value in local, else it's empty. So like this, I have the 4 value, that is those one over there. So cool. So we recover the information from the memory of the computer. We read them, then we store them in some register over there, the world position, the local position. And in World of Warcraft, you don't have the height, the height of the player. So I will put the XY with the local one and the Z with the same as the world. Like this, you can have the tree information if you really want. And what I do here is that I prepare a text that I will send in a UDP message in a UTF-8. So I don't explain that in this video because it just read about Python and UDP. It's really simple, but it just allows me to send a text outside of the application. Like that, what happened is that I read the information in this script, and then I can do a script that record the position, or record the herb, or record the where is this guy, record the XP chain. So I extract just the position, and then I have a script that will do something with this position with UDP. But tonight I just wanted to do some tests with the XP and the recording in a file. And so here, when I send the information, I check the XP here. I say it change. Then I will record here as a string format here. I will read the information of the position, and then I will append it in the file. Okay. And then I said that the previous value has changed. I'm happy, and I can continue in the waiting for next frame, and the next frame will wait, and that's all. So and for the append of the file, it's just that I check that the file is still existing, and then I write the information in it, and ta-da! So yeah, that's how you do it. And so now you will say, yeah, but how do you read the information on the other side? Okay, so for the moment here, I have something that allows me to record the position when some XP, some change of XP has occurred. Okay, with this script, but I want to read on the other side the position. So I have another script over there. Let's say, hey, hello, I'm existing. Then I loop on true. I say, can you launch a socket that will listen to some message over there? The message will be decoded as a UTF-8, okay? And here I initialize a socket, a UDP socket, that will listen to this port on this local PC. So this means this local PC only, I'm listening to the message that's going on this port. This port is an entry where you can send some message if I have to resume it. Okay, and so then what I do is that I take this message that I split with those comma to be able to say, okay, this is a line of information. So I have the first line that is the world position, the second line that is the local position, split by some virgule. And then I have the same for the name, because what happened is that I have XYZ will look like this, and then I have the locality, so it means where am I in the region, and when am I in the sub region, and then just the text to be sure that if he need the text in full, he have it. And so ta-da, that's the idea. So now if I move, as you can see, every 4 seconds it changes the position. Yeah, I mean, that's cool. This video is a bit random, it's a bit going in all direction, but it's just that I will sleep and I know I will not have the time to do a tutorial about it now, so it's why I'm doing this post-mortem video. If you like it, feel free to like the video, comment like everybody, and I only live of donation and small contract, so if you want to help me, feel free to donate, and if you know someone who can use my skills and want to hire me, don't hesitate to share my contact. And so yeah, have some good day. I hope this could help you, and really doing bot is, so I'm not doing bot for cheating, I'm doing bot for the fun of learning how we do bots and to improve the life of everybody. So here basically the idea is just to do a database of every zone that we can XP, like that. If you want to discover every zone because you want to have the achievements, or if you want to do some XP by just moving around, then you can do it. For example, if you want to XP some level, this earlier I did all this zone over there, and this zone over there, it's 10 levels, so from 1 to 10 it's there, and then to here it's 12, and the rest I don't know. But you can easily take some level by just moving around in the country and exploring what you can. So here it's blurry because it's a new character, but you just tuk all the zone, and like that you will have the this file that I show you here. Where is it? So we'll have this file over there with all the XP information that you recover, and if you want to help the community, you just take that and send me this on Discord or on the Git of the project. I don't have yet a place to drop it, but you just go you go in Hello Warcraft QXR on Git of Eloi, and just click on issue and say, hey, here is the information of some coordinate, for example this region over there, and later on I will just do a folder over there where you can pull the code, and I don't know, I will find a way to share those information, maybe not in this Git, but maybe another Git that is dedicated to that. It would be more relevant. But yeah, the idea is there. The idea is to be helpful to the community. So yeah, have a good day. May the code be with you. See you in the next video. Bye.